tayo doon. Nakikita ko yung pangalan ko, Luxers Loom. Yes po. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda ka. Grabe. Ngayon lang ako nakita ni Achi.
Para siyang foreigners. Yung beauty box, diba? Kailangan natin tanggalin para ito yung laman ng beauty box. So, we got 10 capsules para malaman natin kung yung 10 capsules na ilang milligram ang lutan.
Ay! Hindi ka ano? Sa parehas? Ang galing!
Meron tayong lakad, as you can see. So, this is our outfit. Ayan ito. Nabili ko lang ito sa Plains and Prints. Meron itong color white. So, ito naman, maong jeans. O, diba? Ang ganda. And then, for my top, it's Massimo Dutti. And then, yung Jetta na na-score natin sa Hong Kong. And today, guys, ay pupunta tayo sa isang laboratory testing facility, which is ang QualiBep. We were invited by, of course, no other than the celebrity chemist, Miss Pinky Tobiano. And today, guys, kabit-bit ko itong mga beauty talks natin kasi ito yung isa sa mga iti-test natin at ipapakita namin sa inyo na talagang safe po sila na inumin. Okay? So, included na dyan, of course, our bestseller Beauty Talks Gluta Capsule. We have our Booster C Plus C, which is our vitamin C with collagen. And our latest product, the Lana Oral Sunblock. And of course, even our coffee and juices, our Luxlim beauty beverages, kasama din natin yan na iti-test ngayong araw. So guys, dyan lang kayo, samahan nyo kami. Of course, kasama natin si RJ. Abangan nyo kung paano namin sila iti-test. And may mga questions din tayo na inihanda for Achi Pinky sa point of view ng isang chemist. Paano ba nila ina-approve yung mga ganitong klase na food supplement? Let's go!
We're here! Tara guys! Wow! Welcome tayo doon. Nakikita ko yung pangalan ko, Luxers Loom.
Read this, guys. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. Pinky Tobiano. Tandaan natin ito. Please welcome Miss Pinky Tobiano, the celebrity chemist, and
for Ana.
Diba? And now we're here sa kanilang testing laboratory. It's the QualiBep BVAQ. So kanina inas ko. Thank you.
Ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda ka. Grabe.
Ngayon lang ako nakita ni Achi.
Para siyang foreigners. She's so beautiful. Actually, napapatingin ako sa kanya. Anyway, QualiBep is my testing lab. It formed a few years back because of my cancer advocacy. I had cancer with my mom. Diba? So sabi ko, bakit nagka-cancer? It's a food we eat, cosmetics we apply, or yung mga gamot. So, we started QualiBep, meaning quality is better. Tapos nakita ng French multinational, pinakamalaking testing lab sa France, sa world, called BVAQ, Bureau Veritas. So nakita nila, last year nag-joint venture po tayo. So now we're part of a global brand called Bureau Veritas. It's one of the biggest in the world. And we are now part of a global compliance. So lahat ng magpapa-analyze sa atin, globally na ang approval ng gamot.
Ang galing, imagine guys, it's here in the Philippines,
yes,
diba?
The only Filipino brand that was recognized by multinational scientists all over the world. And with that, I super believe in the quality of Luxlim. Kasi bago ko talaga i-share yan, we tried it in the lab. Papakita namin sa inyo paano namin na-test for safety ng chemist approved ang lahat ng products na aking pinopromote.
Yes.
Hindi ko siya pinopromote dahil gusto kong i-promote. Pinopromote ko siya dahil naniniwala ako na makakatulong po ito sa inyo. When you introduced me to Beauty Talks, meron siyang glutathione. I showed my oncologist sa Mount Elizabeth sa Singapore. So sabi niya, did you test it for heavy metals? Baka may lead, may cadmium. I said we did, and it's in the very minimum level at saka wala siya. Kasi sabi niya, the glutathione, the form that we use is very good. So I continue taking it. For me, it's more of testimonial as a chemist, as a cancer survivor, at saka may autoimmune challenge. Mahusay po siya at nakakapaya.
Ang galing.
So we are going to do the high pressure liquid chromatography. So ibig sabihin, Ana, meron tayong reference standard, kumbaga standard ng glutathione. So ang standard ng glutathione, yan yung reference. Tapos ngayon, i-prepare natin yung sample. So i-inject natin yung standard, tapos i-inject natin yung BeautyTox. Titignan natin sa peak kung talagang may glutathione pa rin. So marami kasi kami natetest dito sa lab. We are claiming may glutathione, pero insignificant yung amount.
Ibig sabihin, wala siyang bearing. Pag ininom mo, wala siyang effect.
Walang effect, fake claims lang yun. So papakita natin sa kanila that BeautyTox, it's up to the label claim. So ito yung isa sa scientific base natin. Pagkatapos naman, ito na yung reference standard natin, i-inject natin para makita natin yung standard point. Tapos, i-inject natin, i-prepare natin to
Hanggang saan?
Then yung peak. So, pag tumugma yung peak, malalaman mo na may glutathione talaga. At yung quantity. Pati yung quantity, kaya namin i-compute per capsule.
Kung tama.
Kung tama. Kasi, kailangan we owe this to our users, diba? Consumers, na we are sticking to the label claim. Hindi tayo niloloko.
Kasi di ba guys, meron po siya nakalagay na nutrition facts wherein nakalagay yung specify ilang mg yung glutathione content, the collagen content. So yun yung sinasabi ni Ms. Pinky na kaya nilang makakalaman kung totoo ba yung nakalagay sa labels natin.
Yes. At meron tayong testing lab, HPLC. Tara, let's do it. Una, ito yung BeautyTox, di ba? Kailangan namin tanggalin para ito yung laman ng BeautyTox. So we got 10 capsules para malaman natin kung yung 10 capsules na yan, ilang milligram ang glutathione.
Ito po natin, 2 trials, diluted na rin po siya sa mobile phase. So ito po yung
relax.
So ito yung reference standard ng pure glutathione. Ito yung sa amin galing.
Buti na lang best in chemistry ako nung high school, guys.
Diba? So ito yung reference na standard.
So yung pinag-dilute po natin, is-same lang po sa standard natin. Mobile phase po siya.
Anong laman ng
Mobile phase po natin, nagko-consist po ng acetonitrile and methanol.
Okay. So, dinisolve natin yung standard sa acetonitrile and methanol.
With water.
With water. So, nilagay natin yung standard. So, ngayon, itong 10 capsule na to, binuksan na natin. Ito yung sample, guys. Tapos, dinisolve na natin sa acetonitrile and methanol.
Yes.
So, magra-run tayo ng 2 test. Ititignan natin, match dito sa
Retention time.
sa reference standard. So, dapat malalaman natin, meron ba talagang glutathione itong BeautyTox?
Around mga
2 minutes. So, lalabas yung result.
Yung reference standard.
Reference.
Yung peak po ng glutathione. Lalabas po siya around 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes.
Nag-sample test na tayo. Yung mismong BeautyTox na, yung kinuha ng machine. The sample number 7. Kasi may mga, ano siya, may bilang siya doon, nakita ko kanina. So, we're waiting na lang 2 to 3 minutes para makita if yung ating sample ay magpipik din siya katulad nung sa pure glutathione kanina. So, same nung kanina. But it depends kasi based on the ingredients natin, the glutathione content is 350 milligrams. So, dito matetest din kung totoo ba na 350 mg yung nakalagay na gluta sa ating capsule. And look, eto na siya. So, umaakyat na. Tama, no? Ito.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay! Yung peak niya, ayun.
Yes.
So, parehas.
Parehas po.
Ang galing! Doctors, as you can see, ito yung kanina na tinest, the reference standard natin, which is the pure gluta. And then, this is yung sample na natin ng BeautyTox glutat capsule natin. So, as you can see, halos hindi sila nagkakalayo. Yung peak niya is super duper konti lang ng difference, which is again based din dun sa glutathione na content natin, which is 350 mg per capsule.
So talagang guys, it means that stick talaga sa label claim. May glutathione po for every bottle of Beauty Talks. Meron talagang glutathione. And ito,
very significant kasi as you can see, Luxers, yung peak niya is halos the same nung standard na ginamit natin.
Actually, same peak lang siya. Same peak lang. So, kasi ito, 500 mg. Tayo, 350 mg.
Okay.
So, makikita nyo talaga sa lahat ng Luxers ni Miss Ana Magkawas, talagang may glutathione content at talagang
hindi fake.
Not fake, may laman at safe. So, papakita naman natin sa kanila. Itong Beauty Talks ba may heavy metals na cancerous? So,
lead,
cadmium. So, papakita natin with AAS, Atomic Absorption Spectrophotometer.
Doon sa kabila.
Tara! Ito ay isang Atomic Absorption Spectrophotometer. Itong nakaka-detect ng heavy metals katulad ng lead and cadmium. And we will show you na napaka-safe nito by a scientific test. Okay? So dito, babasahin natin kung may lead content ba ang Beauty Talk. So pakita natin paano yung flame nito.
Bali, maganda na po yung mga under the sample preparation. Then, pinipipare na natin. Then, this is the lead standard.
Reference standard ng lead.
Tapos, this is the Beauty Talk sample. Dalawang times din. Halos same lang din ang preparation.
So,
Pag
ayan.
different lang is yung instrument na gagamitin.
Okay.
So, ito AAS. Pakita
So,
natin.
i-edit ko lang po siya pag na-prepare ko na po kanina.
Pero pakita natin yung flame. So, papakita natin paano. Ikaw magpakita ng apoy. So, atomic absorption, it's pag-dated, parang the mechanism is a flame of the atoms. So, makikita.
Maapoy.
Apoy talaga. Yan, it's a flame. So, pakita natin. Ito ang atomic absorption spectrophotometer. So, we will show you the flame. So, there. So, we will read the heavy metal content using this high-tech equipment. Super mahal na high-tech equipment, Ana. Ano ka?
Bali, ang principle lang niya, since yung lead standard, dapat po magkano siya na-absorbance, yung time na absorbance niya.
Absorbance naman ang binabasa.
Ang binabasa sa akin.
Guys, so lumabas na yung result and close up natin. So makikita natin na naka-negative.
Yung absorbance.
Yung ibig sabihin, wala siyang lead content. Wala siyang heavy metal. So this is a approved, safe, non-carcinogenic glutathione.
Yes, so in Qualibet, we are a testing lab and we are a joint venture of PBAQ, Bureau Veritas, a global testing lab. Napatunayan namin, Beauty Talks has no heavy metal through a scientific test ng AAS. Very safe, non-carcinogenic. So for cancer survivors like me na may autoimmune, pwedeng-pwede you can really take Beauty Talks for your immune system, for your liver, glutathione is really good. Congrats, Ana!
Thank you so much. Thank you, Qualibet. Grabe, ang galing. So now guys, mas confident na kayo in taking Beauty Talks. So, Luxers, ayan, and finish na yung ating testing for the Beauty Talks. For the Beauty Talks Gluta capsule, and abangan nyo naman yung other products natin. Babalik tayo dito para isa-isa ipakita namin sa inyo, guys, kasi mahabang proseso ang lahat. So, don't worry, ipapakita namin sa inyo yan. Of course, only here at Qualibet.
Yes, Qualibet, PBAQ.
See you again next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And grab your Beauty Talks na. Available on Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and to all our authorized dealers worldwide.